think you are. I don't really care about the pain. You would help me pass the night and I would say that I'm alright.
So we are gonna make Lion Bar milkshakes. Woohoo! We are naughty.
I don't know which one to put in.
Didn't they do packs?
No, I looked. 65p.
Expensive buggers, isn't they? They're the best.
Shop.
Yum, 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 yum.
Corner shop.
So, talk us through it.
Well, as you can see so far, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just opening the ice cream up to get ready.
We haven't got a scoop. Why don't you use this big one?
No, don't put a scoop. I'll try a bit of that.
No, not with my teeth. No, hell no.
You put it right to the back of your mouth. Oh, I'll try it. It's really nice. Put it right to the back of your mouth. Don't let it touch your teeth. It's really creamy, that. I'm just a genius.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
I want a straw with mine.
You should have used all the ice cream, really.
Have we got a straw anywhere? Have we got straws, Nyla? Let's try. Oh, wow. You guys have got to try this. This is amazing. She's so up herself. She's like, no, I will not come to you, but I want to steal your camera thing that's hanging from it. Hello, Snuggy Bear. This wasn't the reason we got a blender, by the way. Not to make milkshakes. Aww. You're such a cutie. Speak. She never used to be able to do on demand. We used to go speak and she'd just look at us like, what? But she's learned speak. Oh. What are you trying to say to Mummy? What are you trying to say? Oh, baby. Do you love me? Oh, I love you too. Nala, do you love me? Oh.
Yes, I do.
Nala, do you love Daddy? You're so cute. Nala, baby, do you love Dad? Do you love Mummy, Nala? Oi. Do you love Mummy? Nala, I've got a question. Look, I've got a question. Stop. Am I going to pass my theory test?
Oh, bless her. She don't know what you are.
Nala, am I going to pass my theory test?
Ask her if she loves me.
Do you love Mummy? I'm running a bath. Snugs is currently sat here watching. So cute. I'm going to use some of this. It's Bubble Bath by Shumbad or something. I got it in a set, so I'm really looking forward to using this. It's like vanilla scents and pure Yang-a-lang or something. Apparently that's really good. And I've got a really achy body, so I'm going to be using this. Pop quite a bit in. So I'm going to put some of this in, which is the Radox Muscle Soak, and I'm hoping this is going to sort my aching out. So I'm going to put some of this in there now. Okay, I used quite a bit there. Yes, and I'm gonna mix it in. How's this, Snaps? Snuggy! She's just like, what's all this? So I'm gonna just make it all bubbly, ready. So I am gonna have a bath, edit in the bath, watch some YouTube, and I will check in afterwards. I'm gonna grab a bath, chill out, edit my video in the bath, watch some YouTube, and I'll be back. So I'm finally having a slice of my birthday cake, but after this, guys, no more crappy food. I am going on a massive diet. So the caterpillar cake is here and I'm waiting for my laptop to load and I'll be editing this vlog.
That I made it, yeah, I made it. First I made you who you are and then I made it. And you're wasted with your latest. Yeah, I'm the reason why you always getting faded. Take a shot for me.